and welcome to our next video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can configure your own call diversions with MyPBX. To do this, click on the slider on the left-hand side of the information area. There are 3 possible call diversions available for you to configure. Permanent call diversion. Calls are always diverted. Call diversion on busy. Calls are only diverted when you are on the phone. And call diversion on no reply. Calls are diverted after a certain time span if the call is not answered. Click the edit icon on the button on the call diversion, which you would like to change. The configuration window opens. Enter the phone number to which you would like to divert your calls and confirm with save, represented by a tick. The call diversion is now activated and colored orange. To deactivate the call diversion, simply click on the field. Once you have set up a target number for the call diversion, you can switch the call diversion on and off with a simple click. Mobility is not a real call diversion. It is the possibility of turning simultaneous ringing of telephones on and off. The InnovaPhone mobility solution allows mobile telephones to be integrated in the PBX. You can configure a call diversion for this as long as a mobile telephone has been configured for you. If you need help setting up your mobile phone, just watch our upcoming videos in which we will discuss this in more detail. We would be happy to receive your feedback on topics we could discuss in our next video tutorials. Simply suggest your ideas by writing us a comment, and we will create the tutorials accordingly. If you like our series, we would be delighted if you give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to activate the alarm bell to have the latest video displayed. Thanks for watching, and until next time.